as already shared my website resources. Once again, if you want, I can share my website details as well. So let me take another 1 minute. Okay,
Yes,
now
please.
I just typed scientificstudent.com/solarlab.html. So this link was already shared earlier through WhatsApp. But once again, I'm just showing it. So what are the sessions I do and what are the various workshops I conduct? All these things you can go through. If you wanted to know more about my professor Solanki sir, you can click here. But the reason I ask you to read all this material, whatever is drafted here, then you will understand why we need to go on solar. So you can also add many more points. The few of the things like which I have added, and you can also contribute from your side what all the various adverse effects of global warming and all we can list. And I have a friend 30 years experience working with NASA, Mr. Murthy. So he also shared a lot of things with me about all that important thing, and with his help we prepared a document called if you wanted to know more about global warming, click on this global warming. Then this is the particular all about global warming. It's a wonderful resource that you all can read and observe the things. But again, the climate change is very important. And if you type this climate, click on this is the information from NASA, and they have developed a wonderful resource for students. You can share with all students, let them understand the climate change, and then IPCC, the sixth annual report, and then what are the global warming index, and when was that it's at minus 1.5, and how long it took to reach 0 degree, and then at 1.0 plus, and then if it reaches 1.5 plus, then what will be the effects of all that you all can make sure that our children work with all that. So with this, this is another most important research which I wanted to share with all of you, because I strongly believe one important point. In my childhood, all are made in Japan, but these days all are made in China. But what is less in Indian students and Indian entrepreneurship? That's where to develop all that qualities we have developed. I personally took it as challenge. That's where I said, past made in Japan, present made in China, but now and then it's only made in India, make in India, skill India, school India. So that's possible from my circuit lab, because I have developed a lot of resources for my students. So I request all my science teachers to share these resources to the children as well. Let them read and learn a lot many things, a lot of resources, because with all my 35-40 years of life experience, I've shared a lot of things into these particular tabs. So let them go and do whatever they want. So ultimate our goal is to prepare our children are very skilled, and then all entrepreneurs, because why they seek a job, why can't they provide a job another? Because we have a lot of population, our people have to become very entrepreneur, and like we need to export, no, not only import. We start right from right morning, when I wanted to use a nail cutter, it's made in Korea, Taiwan, China. What is this? How long? What is the science behind it? Very simple mission, but still we just import. That means we are habit of import, not developing ourselves to raise our children into becoming an entrepreneur as manufacturer. So we need to develop. Otherwise, see, all the other countries are going very advanced. So India is nothing less than anyone, because you know that sure the zero by me is given by our Indians, and Sastrita has done a great job, and all Indian great scientists. The wireless concept was developed by our Indian great scientist Chandra Bose. And but why today, since last 3 decades, what's less, what's happening wrong? How do we bridge up this gap? That's only possible with the NEP 2020. So let us all work together so that we can really do great things. So with this, I think, any other questions we have, respected teachers? I think most of us.
Teachers, do you have any questions? Teachers, do you have any questions from all the schools? The session was so interesting, I think, and they have been informed well. So I think they don't have any questions.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, Namaste, Shweta.
Here just not a question. Here I just want to share some details that regarding solar only. In my house, it's been nearly 5 to 6 years. We are using solar 5 years, solar and wind energy for our two-store building, and it's been working. Even TV, fridge, even washing machine also will work with the solar and wind energy.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
And one of my husband's friend, she resides in a village near Gadag. She
Gadag.
has planted solar panels in her own farm field, and she is giving that power to the KB near, of that village.
Oh,
She's
wonderful.
supplying the power over there.
Wonderful. Excellent. Sweta madam, where is your house, in Bangalore or near Gadag? Where exactly?
My house is in Bangalore, ji.
ओके ओके, क्योंकि आप जिस तरीके से बोला है दैट इज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कभी बेंगलुरु आ गया तो जरूर उधर जाके आपका जो भी बना है वो सब देखना है। मैं सोलर का चीज किधर भी दिखाई जाए तो मैं उधर भग जाता हूँ, फिर वो सब
आप कभी भी आ सकते हैं।
मेरा इरादा ये है कि पूरा देश में हमारा हर स्कूल सोलर का पावर बन जाए, तो टू CO2 एमिशंस की पावर कभी नहीं लेना है, बच्चों का उधर से स्कूल से सब सिखा देना है। दिस इज मेरा इरादा है। सो लेट मी सी हाउ कैन वी ऑल वर्क टुगेदर एंड प्रिपेयर आवर इंडिया सोलर इंडिया। बहुत अच्छा आपने शेयर किया है, दैट्स थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I think it's conclude. I'll just speak. Yes, very nice, Shweta ji. I think we'll all visit your house also. It's wonderful. Yeah.
Definitely can visit.
Yes.
And
now
sir, I just want to know how we can get that solar kit for children.
Madam, go to scientificstudent.com/solarlab.html. Then
Okay.
click on workshops. Then you will know all about the workshop, what we do, what is the documentation, what is the process, all that. I wish I'll conduct this kind of workshop to all the students possible, because
Exactly.
I do these sessions, but that's involved with material and all, little cost involved, so that if at all some self-sponsored students are coming forward, so we will conduct that kind of workshop to that level of students, so that at least few of them will become solar soldiers, because soldiers are not the ones that they are there at the borders of the nation. Soldiers have to be there at every single square feet of the nation, so that they don't have to be with weapons, they can also be with the science weapons, so that our India prospers. Because the thing is, 1928 Sir C.V. Raman observed, 1930 he became a Nobel Prize winner. Next, after 8-9 years later, it is going to be 100 years, and we are from Bangalore. And then you see, just imagine, Sir C.V. Raman established an institution, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. You might have seen here one ISC logo here. So, but the thing is, even after Sir C.V. Raman 100 years, our so-called Indian intellectuals of 125 crores to 150 crores, by the time it becomes 100 years. And if India doesn't produce next many more Nobel Prize winners, Nobel laureates to the nation, so somewhere it is missing. Our science teachers have to take a lot of responsibility to make it happen. It's possible inspiring children at school days, early days. Otherwise, after their graduation, after their PG and all, if you ask them to do some research, they don't be able to take the pure science or the core science or the basic science as a career path. Okay, that's where. But one thing is very clear, respected teachers. What I wanted to tell you all, if a single science principle develops, then n number of thousands of various technology developments will come out of from that single science principle. So developing innovation is more important, then later innovation comes, then the country prospers. That's where the developed nations have done, and India can also do much more. Only the thing, since last 20-30 years, we all went behind all marks ranks. Parents also realized, and schools have to realize, and teachers are the main role players of this entire change happening. That is what his government is looking for, and that's what his nation is looking for. We have to solve our own problems. Otherwise, you have seen, like other countries, they don't share. We have to buy, we have to import a lot much. It is not continuous. It cannot be. That is where we have to have our own system. Let us do something. Let us develop. Even though it takes little time, like maybe another 5 years, 10 years, doesn't matter. As long as something is happening, then definitely the result is not really very far. So with all science teachers' involvement of the nation, entire science teachers all across the nation have to take that responsibility, then definitely that day is not really very far. India is going to rule. Vishwaguru banna hi banna hai. ये पहले था पूरा हिंदुस्तान, पूरा इंडियंस और विश्वगुरु, अभी वापस बनाना ही, तो उसके लिए वो आपके हाथ में ही है पूरा, और किसी के हाथ में नहीं है। इसीलिए मैं आपको वापस हमेशा हमेशा के लिए प्रार्थना करता हूँ, आप बच्चों की मतलब सर साइंस प्रिंसिपल को पूरा प्रैक्टिकली समझाइए। और हमारा तरफ से, हमारा जैसा एक मेरा टीचर मुझे इतना बना दिया, तो मेरे लिए आप जितना जानकारी कर लीजिए मेरा वेबसाइट से, मेरा ऑपरेशन से, मेरा एक्टिविटी से। मेरा तरफ से मैं प्राउड नहीं हूँ, लेकिन बताने के लिए 600 स्कूल्स में कम से कम 3-4 लाख बच्चों के लिए मैंने पूरा दिमाग को, इसलिए कलाम सर ने एक बार बताया था, यू आर इग्नाइटिंग यंग माइंड्स। जैसा जिस दिन कलाम सर हमारा साथ नहीं है, इमीडिएटली आई चेंज माय वेबसाइट, समवन इज टाइपिंग इन गूगल, इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट सेइंग दैट इग्नाइटिंग यंग माइंड्स, क्योंकि जरूरी है, बच्चों के अंदर बहुत सारे ताकत है, उसको कुछ ना कुछ करके उनको थोड़ा इग्नाइट कर लिया, बस खत्म, पूरा ट्रैक में जाके ऑर्बिट में अपना अपना काम करना शुरू कर देगा। तो सो ये है मेरा बोलने का। सो लेट्स प्रिपेयर आवर इंडिया वंस अगेन वर्ल्ड क्लास विश्वगुरु। इस ज्यादा मतलब तकलीफ की बात नहीं है, दिस इज सो सिंपल, इट इज पॉसिबल, and connect them to the best resources. That's where in my website, if you go to scientificstudent.com, click student resources and get inspired by the great personalities. What are all the great personalities we have all across the nation? We have a lot of national laboratories, like Indian Physical Laboratory, Indian Chemical, National Chemical Laboratory, and National Institute of Nutrition, or Center for Cellular Microbiology, or Indian Institute of Chemical Technology. So many various 38 national world-class national laboratories we have, and the scientists are very much there. Like I think March 27th is the National Open Day for ISC Bangalore. If you take all your children to such kind of open day, I've come across two times into that ISC Bangalore, and I've visited all the science laboratories. What a powerful laboratories they have. If at all our children go there, and then all the scientists will explain them, and then children will feel as if they are scientists at school level. Yeah, they are the budding scientists, no doubt. Kalam sir also said once, like, children are born scientists. At that time, I really did not understand what is that he's saying, but later I figured it out. Yes, of course, they have their own curiosity. Unfortunately, this education system suppressed the curiosity, but now it is a time for back to us, to all of us, to develop the curiosity. And now questioning minds has to go day by day, day by day. We have to encourage the questioning minds, and then put them onto hands-on, so that inventive thinking comes on. That's what is my always favorite quote. Yeah.
Namaste, sir. This is Savita
Namaste.
Guruji.
Yes. Yes, Savita, you
Ah.
wanted to ask something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, Guruji, I wish I could be Sanjay next to you and learn.
Hey, Sanjay, come here. Madam want to see you.
Sanjay,
Sanjay is here. Yeah, he is here.
Yes.
because,
Every day come, and he helps me a lot. And because of his help, we prepared so many gadgets. So many gadgets.
so that's what I wish I
Savita,
could be Sanjay.
I have another meeting. I'll just
Yes,
conclude.
ma'am.
Sir, it was
Yeah.
just an eye-opener for us. We knew that we have done a lot of damage to our Mother Earth. And it is high time that we as teachers, science teachers, take the role of modifying this and using the solar energy, which is easily available and in abundance. And I think it was really a very good insight into the solar thing, and especially as you had planned it so well. Initially, you told us what are the energies that we have, and then which are the countries making use of it, and later what are the damages that we have done, and now how we can rectify it. And then the ultimate was the demonstration and the gadgets that you have made out of solar energy. I think it has been really an eye-opener for us, and you have enriched us with so much of knowledge that I'm sure each teacher of RVK will think of having solar panels in their houses and also in our schools. I thought that I should speak to my management immediately and see that the solar panels are put up in our schools, so that we can use it for numerous things. And I'm sure all the teachers who have assembled here will also put this request to the management, the respective schools. And I'm sure when you come back to Bangalore, you can find a few things what you have told us. Thank you, sir. Thank you
Great.
very
Madam,
much.
being I'm from AP, I speak Telugu. No, maybe some of our teachers might understand even Telugu also. So one word I wanted to say in Telugu about our solar. Okay,
Sure,
because I always share this. 220 volts మాకు వద్దు వద్దు, మా solar చాలా ముద్దు ముద్దు.
Okay, that's very nice. I think all of you got the tagline. Yes, I'm sure all of you got the tagline. Okay, you can make it. I mean, you can convert it in Kannada and Hindi also. In
Kannada
all
and
the
Hindi.
languages. Let
Yeah.
us have the tagline. Yes,
Yes,
sir. It was a
yes.
wonderful session, and I'm sure that it has been so informative and inspiring that each and every teacher is going to be, I think, solar. What do you say? Soldiers.
Soldiers, yes.
Yes.
We have to prepare all our children as solar soldiers, but we have to be first solar majors.
Soldier ourselves. Yes, sir. Okay. Dhanyavad. I
Yeah.
think it was an excellent session, and I would like you to meet our children also and
Sure, madam,
bring
sure.
the skill to the school.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Dhanyavad.
Madam, make
Dhanyavad.
sure that we might have a lot of schools throughout the nation, no, madam. So our school management might have, throughout the country, we have the schools. So pass on this message that we wanted to work with the teachers and the school. Ultimately, in no time, we had to make sure that children understand the importance of going on solar.
Yes, sure, sir.
Because in my
This is
childhood
our
days, madam,
promise, and
Yeah, in-
this is our pledge that we will surely take it.
Madam,
Okay.
actually, in my childhood days, I had no other option. At that time, there is no science and technology developed. Now, today, it is affordable cost.
Yes.
And at
We
that
will
time, there is
surely
no
do
other
it,
option.
sir. We will
Somewhere
make
they are burning, somewhere
and we
they are
will make
burning.
the country proud.
Yeah,
Yes,
somewhere they are
surely.
burning, somewhere we are importing, somewhere they are burning and causing the global warming, and we are using somewhere. But now today, we can generate our own energy at wherever we are. It's self-power, secure power. Unlike if at all you see the regular utility power, whenever rain supposed to come, immediately they stop power. And they don't care who are all going to suffer what. How long it continues? Because they want to safeguard their transformers. Because of the air and all, the windy and all, before the rain, they don't want to short circuit. That's why simply they shut down the substations. But people are out of power. Anything can go bad, wrong, during the power outage. They don't care. How long it continues? It is, tomorrow we are celebrating our Independence Day with a very big title for it. But anyway, I must greet all of my respected teachers that happy Independence Day. And I wish through all of you that my message will go to all the students of your respected schools. And then many of them will come and connect to me. And we all work together so that that day is not really very far. Once again, we will prove our India is not only simple India, it's all inventive and innovative India towards productive India. So with this, I conclude my session is done for today. And thanks for giving me a couple of hours. Though Madam assured me 90 minutes, I took another 30 minutes more. So once again, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vignan. Vignan is very important. And then
Jai Surya Bhagavan.
Jai Surya Bhagavan. And that's why in the Solar Lab, my HTML page in the first song is that. If you type that, you can see that the song will be there. The MS Sublakshmi's song. I request all my teachers to watch that song. Whenever you go to solarlab.html page, in the first line, you'll see the song there. If you play it, you will enjoy that. Because I spent a couple of days to find which is the best. I found finally that is the best. I added that into the page. And that is one thing. And Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and thanks for the time I spent with all. So, yeah, I'm not away. Be in touch through WhatsApp and email sciencecinvas99@gmail.com or srinivas@scientificstudent.com. These are my email addresses. You can reach me anytime. And make sure that through our culture of great India, let us continue heritage of India and then serve the nation. and then prepare India more self-reliant and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you.
ధన్యవాదాలు
madam.